In this video, we're going to be discussing installing MotiveWave on a PC. The first thing that we will be doing is heading on over to MotiveWave.com to our download page. And from there, we're going to download the exe file. After that, we're going to open the downloaded exe file, which will then start the MotiveWave installation wizard. So now that you've downloaded the exe file from the downloads page of the MotiveWave website, we can go on over to our downloads folder, double click the exe file to start the installation process, click yes. Let's just close this up here. I accept the agreement. We recommend that you go through the terms and conditions so that you are familiar with the agreement. After accepting the agreement, click next, 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 install. Now you'll be presented with this window here. In this case, we're not going to view the README file. It just goes over some of the requirements for installation. We'll click on Finish. This should start the wizard. So we click Next. Here we have the agreement again. Once again, I do recommend that you view the terms and conditions so you're familiar with them. Click on I agree. After registering for a trial or purchasing MotiveWave, you would have received a welcome email. In that email is a license key. We recommend that you copy and paste the license key rather than typing it one digit at a time, as this will help avoid any errors. So we're going to copy that. We're going to paste it. We're going to click Next. Now that the license is activated, you'll be prompted for a workspace name. We find that most customers will use things such as their account name with their broker or with the name of the data connection type, so it's easy for them to remember, especially if they have a few workspaces. Now we'll discuss this in a future video, but you have two options. You can have either the cloud or locally. What the cloud does is that allows you to, for instance, if you're traveling and using a laptop, you can access that workspace from the cloud without having to copy your workspace over from your desktop to your laptop. So in this case, we're going to put it on the cloud. We're going to use the free Google connection. I'm going to click Next. I'm going to select Google here. Now you'll see here all the available connections. Now Google did officially stop supporting their connection years ago, so we do recommend them as for demo purposes only. Okay, so we're going to click Finish. Okay, I'm just going to close this up. Actually, okay, so now we click on Continue. And our workspace loads up. Okay, that's it for this video. Moving on to the next.